How to insert or embed video in Canva. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Canva application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to insert or embed a YouTube video, tap on the presentation option you see there right below the search bar, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will see various templates to choose from. Go ahead and select any of the templates available in here. You can also select a blank template. Now, once you have opened the template on the bottom toolbar, slide through and you will see the option for apps. Tap on that and further tap on the search bar you see there. Go ahead and search for embed and tap on the embed option. You will then see the embed app. Tap on that and then tap on the open button. Further, insert the link you want to add in the paste web link here text box, and finally tap on the add to design button, and with this the YouTube video will be added. You can resize the video if you want to. So this is how you can insert or embed YouTube video in Canva. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.